Alright, so today I want to talk about Kruskal algorithm, which is easy and pretty straightforward. The basic idea to select the least costly edge UV and keep selecting all the edge this costly until you reach all the vertices in your resulting minimum spanning tree. The only thing is you can have any cycle by everything will become clear on. I walk through this example here. By the way, this graph is chosen from my group members' idea. Let's begin. So, you start with the least cost of the edge. By the way, if you had another one, like if there was another edge with a cost of 1, it would not matter which one you pick as your starting point in this case. There is only one edge with constant 5, so we pick an edge UV. In this case, G and I with the edge cost of 5. Okay, we select this edge and we keep repeating this algorithm, but it is processed until you reach all the vertices in the graph, and this will result in your minimum planning tree. Okay, next, do we have any other 5 in this graph? It does not look like it. So the next number up is 6. So let's go ahead and pick and see the edge between A and B. Okay, that is in our tree. So next number up is 7 between E and I. Next number up is 8 between B and D, because this will not form a circle in our tree. After number 8 is we have 9, and we can't take it because it will form a circle in our tree. The next number up is 10 between J and I. We have to pick that 10 because it not form a circle in our tree. Next number is 11 between H and J, because this will not form a circle in our tree. We have 12 between H and I, but also we can't pick an HUV that will form a circle because these at 2H belong in the same tree. CH and I are part of the same tree, so we cannot pick the H because if we do like so, do we have a cycle which is not allowed. Next number up is 13. We have only one 13 between AF. Let's go ahead and pick this. We have 14 between D and E, but also we can't pick an HUV that will form a cycle because these at 2H belong in the same tree. C, D and E are part of the same tree. Next number up is 15, and we have to pick that one because you will not form a cycle in our graph. So the H, C and G are next to be picked. And the next number up is 16. It is right here, but we form the cycle, so we skip over that. Now we have 17. This will not form a cycle between B and E, so we can take this 17. We have 18 between B and C, but also we can't pick an HUV that will form a cycle because these at 2H belong in the same tree. C, B and C are part of the same tree. Now we have 19 in our graph, and it will not form a cycle in our tree between D and H, so we have to pick that. Last, we have 20, but this also form a cycle which we can have, so we do not pick this. Look, like we are done, so this is our minimum spanning tree night. Here, And that is all there is to a Kruskal algorithm.